Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to identify the price action easily in trading. Okay, so we are using the normal candlestick pattern in our trading view, any chart which we are looking into. So there are multiple options available, but I am going to show you the simplest way. How can we look into the different chart patterns in the simplest way? Usually when we look into the candlesticks charts are powerful, okay, for analyzing the market trends, but adding a line chart will help you, that will highlight the overall price movement more clearly. So what are the different chart patterns? So we all are aware of these chart patterns. The different chart patterns available, that is the reversal patterns is double top and the double bottom, head and shoulder patterns. These are the different patterns, that is inverse head and shoulder patterns. Then rising wedge, falling wedge. This is the falling wedge pattern. This is a rising wedge, and ascending triangle, descending triangle, and the bearish rectangle pattern. So whether if we get the breakout or no breakdown, we'll be entering into the long and the short trade. We can see the few chart patterns. So this is the double top. So what do you mean by double top? We can see this is the first top and this is the second top. Means these are the resistance level. So here, from here the price is going up and this is the support level, and again touching the particular resistance level. So two times the price is touching that resistance level. So that is called the double top. So here we can see that this is the resistance level and this neckline is the support level. So we can enter into the trade when the price is giving a break down below this particular level. So this is called the double top. So we can see few other patterns also. So we are going to see how can we draw this particular chart patterns in the chart. Okay, so basically we are drawing the chart patterns using the candlesticks. Also we can see how can we draw using the line charts. This is called the ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle means pricing is forming higher highs. Okay, so this is the higher low, again this is the higher low, and this is the higher low. Okay, because each time when the price is forming new highs, this support is not taken away. So every time the price is forming new highs, and after that this level will act as the resistance, and once the price is giving a breakout above this level, in that case we are supposed to enter into the trade. So this is called ascending triangle, means the prices, each time the price is forming new highs. Okay. Next we can see one more pattern, that is the rectangle pattern. So in that rectangle pattern there is a bearish rectangle and also the bullish rectangle. Means this is the rectangle, that is a resistance level, and this is the support level, that is price will come to the support and again it will go and touch that particular resistance level. Again from that level we can see that there is a selling pressure. So this is the level where the buying zone is. So this will form as a rectangle. So we can enter into the trade in either ways. When we see a breakout above this resistance level, we can consider entering into the long trade. Also we can enter into the short trade when the price is giving a breakdown below this particular support level. So this is called bearish rectangle. So what is bullish rectangle then? Bullish rectangle is when the price is giving a breakout about this particular resistance level. In that case we can enter into the long trade. So this is the bearish rectangle. So I will show you in the chart how can we draw this particular patterns, that is chart patterns, using the line chart. Also we can see the candlesticks pattern also in the same chart, but using the line chart it will be easy for us to identify the chart patterns. Okay, in order to identify the support and the resistance, it will be easy. This is the Nifty chart. Okay, so this is a Nifty 1 hour chart. So now we have learned the few patterns. Okay, so now we can see how can we draw the particular patterns in the chart. Okay, so we can draw this pattern in the higher time frame. So this is a Nifty 1 hour time frame and this is a blank chart. Okay, so here we can see a pattern in this particular chart. So I am drawing this with the help of the trend line. Okay, so that is touching the candles low and high, we are drawing the chart pattern. So this pattern, what we can say, this is a rectangular pattern. The same chart when we are going to convert into, this is a candlestick chart pattern. Now we are going to convert into the line chart. Okay, now when we are going to convert into the line chart, the high and low varies. When we are calculating, when the price is calculating based on the line chart, the high and low varies. So we are adjusting the trend line based on that. All right, now we are touching the highs and lows of this particular line chart. Again, what we are going to do is we are going to convert this line chart again into the candlestick chart pattern. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame of Nifty chart. We have drawn the trend line. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to convert the 1 hour time frame into 15 minutes time frame. So this is the 15 minutes time frame chart. Okay, so we are taking the bias in the higher time frame. The higher time frame is 1 hour, and after that we are getting, or we are entering the trade in the lower time frame. Lower time frame is 15 minutes time frame. So we can use the candlestick patterns also for the trade confirmation. So when we use the 15 minutes time frame, we can see this is how the chart will look like. Either in the breakout or in the breakdown, we can enter into the trades. So what we are going to do is, in the same chart, I will show you how to write this Pine script to plot the line chart. So we'll go to the Pine editor and I will show you how to write the code to plot the line chart. The same code I will post in the description box below. You can copy and you can paste the same in the trading view. Add to chart, click on add to chart. Okay. So here we can see both the candlesticks and the line chart. So now we should know how to use this line chart efficiently. So I'm going to show you that also. So in the Pine script, we will add the parameter to the plot function. So the parameter name is offset. So what this offset parameter will do is, this offset will helps to plot the chart in advance or in the backward. So I have plotted like offset minus 26. So what this minus 26 indicates is in which time frame we are looking into. If we are looking into 5 minutes time frame, it will plot the line chart will plot 26 candles backward. So based on the time frame which we are looking into, we have to count the candles. Okay. So the parameter 26, right? Here I have mentioned it is minus 26. So you can change this minus 26 to your preference. You can change that to any number. Okay. So if I mark here it as minus 10. Okay. So I'm changing that to minus 10. So it will plot the 10 candles, only the 10 candles below, backwards. So if I mark this minus 10 to, again I'm changing that to plus 10. What it will do is it will plot the 10 candles ahead. That is, the line chart will plot the 10 candles ahead. Here we can see then the chart in the trading view above. Okay, that is plotting the 10 candles ahead. That is, I have mentioned in the parameter as plus 10. So basically what we are trying to do is, we don't want to plot the line chart along with the candles, because that will not give the clarity. So we are plotting the candle, that is plotting the line chart in either ways, that is ahead or backward, for our clarity, in order to understand the line chart properly. So I'm going to do a small change here in the Pine script. Okay, so it can be visualized. Click on add to chart. So now the line chart is plotting 26 candles ahead. Now if you put minus 15, it will plot the minus 15. So it will plot 15 candles backwards, that is minus 15. So this is the 15 minutes time frame chart. So you can identify the patterns, that is chart patterns, in any time frame. Now the code is ready. Okay. So the candles, the line chart which I have made, the parameter as minus 26. So here we can see from this level, okay, from this level to, you know, the structure is formed. The from here I am plotting the measuring scale 26 candles here. So the line chart will plot always the 26 candles behind, that is backwards. So we can see here the pattern what it is, double bottom. Okay, when we look into the candlesticks it is little difficult to understand the pattern, but when we look into the line chart it will be easy for us to understand the pattern. And when we are getting any breakout above this level, that is no double bottom, when we are getting a breakout, then in that case we can consider entering into the long trade. So which candle is giving the breakout is the next candle which is giving breakout about that particular level. Okay, so we can consider entering into the long trade. So like this it will be in the live market. Okay, so here we can see only the candles. This is the only the candles. Okay, this is the candlestick pattern. So this is the live market you consider. Okay, and backwards when you look into this line chart will always plot 26 candles backwards, because the parameter I have selected, I have given is minus 26. So it's up to you, you can give any number. So this is the concept which will work in Ichimoku also, and here we can see this. So this is the double bottom. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so we can consider entering into the long trade above this. When we get a breakout above this, we can consider entering into the long trade. So the next candle gave a breakout above that particular pattern. So we can enter into the long trade. So this is how we can easily identify the chart patterns. So what is the advantage of plotting the line chart is, like, irrespective of what time frame, any time frame which we are using into, we can easily identify the patterns. That is basically we can easily identify the support and resistance, and when we use the line chart we can easily identify the patterns. That will helpful for our entering into the trades also in a easy manner. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.